How to fix Fivem. The social club account specified does not own a valid license. So this usually happens if you pull up or launch GTA 5 Fivem into Rockstar Games. So here's the trick on how you can fix that. All you have to do at first is to quit everything or close everything up. Now, you just need to launch GTA 5 directly into Epic Games or any available client where you could launch Fivem, but not on Rockstar Games. But once you successfully launch Fivem to a different client or software, just simply quit that and then go back to the original placement of Fivem on Rockstar Games. It should work. But if those specific troubleshooting steps did not work, then all you have to do is just to simply reinstall and install again directly from Rockstar Games onto the 5M client. But if still not working, just simply try the whole process again because that's actually the common troubleshooting steps on what usually people do, and it will be fixed 90 to 100%. And that's it. That's how you fix 5M. The social club account specified does not own a valid license.